It's time for the Nootropic Study of the Week.
Alright, so in this week's Nootropic Study of the Week, we're looking at the effects of lemon balm on cognitive performance and mood states in healthy human volunteers. Now, lemon balm has been studied for its potential to improve the following neutralized effects: energy, mindfulness, mood, short-term memory, and long-term memory. And the number of participants who received lemon balm in these two studies is 38, and there were no side effects in both of these studies that were more frequent than in the placebo groups of these studies. And today's study that we're looking at for lemon balm is called Modulation of Mood and Cognitive Performance Following Acute Administration of Single Doses of Melissa officinalis, which is then another name for lemon balm. There will be a link to this study in the show notes, or rather description of this video. And in this study, 15 healthy young volunteers were given either 0, 300, 600, or 900 milligrams of lemon balm. So 4 different dosages were given during 4 different occasions, separated by 7 days. So this was a crossover trial, which entails that the participants were the same in all of the conditions. So in the placebo group and in the different lemon balm groups, it was the same participants that were given the different dosages, but during different occasions, with a 7-day washout period between the occasions. And in this study, reaction time, attention, short-term memory, long-term memory, and mood was tested after 1 hour, 2.5 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours after the consumption of the lemon balm extract. And it was noted that the 600 milligram dose of lemon balm improved accuracy of attention. So if you want to improve your accuracy of attention, that really does say it all about what it is that was measured. But if you want to be very accurate in what you are attending to, what you pay attention to, and really have good focus, then you may want to use lemon balm in 600 milligram dosages. But there is, however, a dose-dependent memory performance impairment from lemon balm, especially if you use it then in dosages such as 900 milligrams. And this was seen both on measures of working memory and secondary memory, which is long-term memory, and then working memory is a measure of short-term memory. So you may not want to use too much of lemon balm, because that could entail that you will have a reduced cognitive performance, at least in regards to the memory aspects of your cognitive enhancement pursuits. Lemon balm was shown to improve mood, but for alertness, lemon balm did have a negative impact, especially in the 900 milligram dosage group. As I said, they were all the groups were the same participants, but in the 900 milligram condition. So when the participants received 900 milligrams, they had a reduced alertness. And mood was essentially improved in all dosage conditions, except for the middle dosage condition. So 900 milligrams and 300 milligrams both improved measures of mood, including contentness and calmness, but the 600 milligram dose didn't have any impact. And to conclude then, lemon balm did have a positive impact on accuracy of attention. It did have a negative impact on working memory and long-term memory. And it did have a positive impact on mood while having a negative impact on alertness. But all of these effects are very dose dependent. So if you use 900 milligrams of lemon balm extract, that's going to give you an entirely different experience than if you use 300 milligrams of lemon balm extract, because it didn't have any negative impact on memory if the participants were given only 300 milligrams of lemon balm. So using lemon balm in 300 milligram dosages, or maybe even less, seems to be the optimal for enhancing cognitive performance and mood. Now, there were some findings suggesting that lemon balm had a reduction effect on alertness, reducing alertness. And this entails that you could probably have some use for some alertness enhancing compound as a complement to lemon balm if you plan to use it often. So if you want to stack lemon balm with, for example, caffeine, that may give you a better experience overall, because you're not going to have a reduction in alertness because you complement the negative impact on alertness from lemon balm with the positive impact on alertness from caffeine. And caffeine has also potential to improve your working memory, so the potential negative impacts of lemon balm on working memory may be attenuated by the positive impacts from caffeine on working memory. So if L-theanine doesn't work with caffeine for you, L-theanine is a compound also often found in tea, green tea especially, and it has often been used with caffeine to improve cognitive performance. It is possibly the most used nootropic stack in the history of cognitive enhancement, 200 milligrams of theanine with 100 milligrams of caffeine. But some people don't like the effects of L-theanine, so you may want to try this lemon balm extract instead. So that stack may be worth looking into. But should you use lemon balm at all? Well, I think that we are in a very early stage of research regarding the efficacy and safety of lemon balm, I would say. It has been used quite a lot by quite a lot of people, so I wouldn't say that there is all that great of a risk for any serious side effects, because, for example, in this study there weren't any serious side effects for any of the 15 participants. But we are in an early stage of research, and it is a risk to take this compound, but it may come with rewards as well. So if you want to learn more about lemon balm before you use it, I suggest that you go into the Nootralize app page for lemon balm, which you can find at beta.nootralize.com/nootropics/lemon balm. And in there you'll be able to find the 2 studies I referenced earlier that we've gone through on lemon balm, and also the different dosages that have been used in these studies, the durations, and the potential effects of lemon balm on cognitive performance and mood states. So that is a great resource to learn more about lemon balm. And if you choose to use lemon balm, I do really wish that it works for you, that you get these attention boosting effects and that you get these mood boosting effects.